Hey, and welcome back to another video. This video is a little different. It's actually just a kind of a channel update. I have, as some of you all who subscribe to the channel may have noticed, I haven't uploaded here in quite a while. That is because I have joined a new company called Thousand Ant and been uploading to and running their YouTube channel, which right now is pretty much only content that I'm making, but there will be some other content there as well soon. And so the content is a little bit different. I'm actually creating content focused on a new game that I'm working on. So it's a little bit less of the procedural generation tutorials that I know the folks over on this channel really love. I will get back to some of those, but right now my kind of attention is shifted onto another more kind of making a game type content, which I hope some of you all here will be interested in. I have to figure out what to do with this channel. It's a little bit of a thing for me. I'm really not sure. I don't want to just let it die because I put a lot of work into growing it to where it is, and I really appreciate all of you guys for being here with me. In the near future, please do come join me over on the Thousand Ant channel. I'm publishing content there weekly. It's more of the content that you know and love. Slightly different focus, but continuing to do Unity-focused game dev tutorial content. And I would say with a little bit of a more intermediate advanced focus, there's a little bit of a meme that Infallible Code and I have started to kind of toss around of this idea of kind of level 2 content, right? There's a lot of great people doing beginner content out there like Brackies and everybody else. And so we kind of think that there's a space, right, for that level 2. So my main YouTube content kind of energy and efforts are going into the Thousand Ant channel for now and the foreseeable future. Uploading is going to pretty much stop over here. But for now, I would just invite you to come join us over at Thousand Ant and take that journey with me. I think it's going to be really, really cool. And we've already got a couple videos up there, 4 or 5 videos so far. I'm going to be doing more devlogs. I've got the first one up and I've just actually recorded the second one today. So I think that's going to be interesting. So yeah, I just invite you to join me over there. Thank you so much for being with me over this past kind of year that I've been active in pushing this channel and uploading here. I really appreciate everybody who's enjoying the content and subscribing and commenting and everything. It meant a lot to me. And so thank you for that and for being a part of that. And yeah, I'm just kind of closing a little bit of a chapter here, starting a new chapter over there, which I'm super, super excited about and excited to have you join me on. So thanks so much for everything, and I'll see you over on the new channel. Bye.